Tern versus Travefy, which travel agent software is the best for you?
Let's talk about Tern Travel and Travefy.com. So here is a comparison between the two. Purpose is that this Tern is a trip planning plus CRM for travel advisors, while Travefy is an itinerary builder and a client portal. Next is for the ease of use. Tern Travel is intuitive, modern UI, and still developing, while Travefy is a mature, stable, and polished experience. For the customization is that um, ha- um, Tern Travel is a high drag and drop tip builder and has flexible forms, while Itinerary has also a high itineraries highly customizable. For the pricing, let's see. Pricing starts here $21, also has $35 per month. While Travefy, let's check. Travefy starts at $20, similar here, which is 21. Here is 20. And we also have a $39 and $59. So prices are quite similar, but what should you choose? So choose Tern if you want an all-in-one platform, CRN plus itinerary plus automation, and are okay with a slightly newer system that's quickly evolving. However, choose Travefy if you want the best-in-class itinerary builder and don't mind using a separate CRM.